Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and no one likes to stay dirty even when you're in the outdoors. So I had a lot of fun using this Dezitrek portable wash bag. Now, in the past, would wash my clothes in collapsible buckets, and I would have to use 3, and you would get so wet. So that's why I really appreciated this. It's so easy. You can use it kind of as a laundry bag as you're kind of going through your dirty clothes, throw it in there, and then when you're ready to wash, you just put some detergent in there, and you take it to a water source, fill it up, and then you take the plunger. You can extend it to make it longer. Put the plunger part on the stick. It's got a nice handle that you can really grab easily, and push the plunger up and down. You can move it around all throughout the clothes, hitting different parts of the clothes. You can do it for as long as you would like. It suggests maybe 3 minutes, and then pour the dirty water out. And then you repeat this process about 2 to 3 more times. When the clothes are washed and good, you can just tie a line up, hang the clothes up. It rolls up so easily and fits so nicely in this bag. It's so sleek and compact. It can easily go in your backpack, in your camping bin. I think it is a must-have for anybody that's living a simple life and just wants to wash as they go. But that's my point of view.